Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity, fun learning session. Today we have a fun activity where we will fill in the missing letters and learn some new words. Fill in the missing letters. Look at the pictures and the words with missing letters. Let's say the name of each picture and find the correct letter to complete the word. Jelly. What letter is missing at the start? It's J. The word is jelly. Globe. What letter is missing at the start? It's G. The word is globe. Horse. What letter is missing at the start? It's H. The word is horse. Ink. What letter is missing at the start? It's I. The word is ink. Leaf. What letter is missing at the start? It's L. The word is leaf. Kangaroo. What letter is missing at the start? It's K. The word is kangaroo. Great job. Now let's move on to the next part. Fill in the missing letter and match. Let's complete the words and then match them with the correct letters. Lion. What letter is missing at the start? It's L. The word is lion, and match L with lion. Jeep. What letter is missing at the start? It's J. The word is Jeep, and match J with Jeep. Key. What letter is missing at the start? It's K. The word is key, and match K with key. Lock. What letter is missing at the start? It's L. The word is lock, and match L with lock. Hooray! You did a fantastic job. You are learning so fast. Today we learned how to complete words by adding the missing letters. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all your letters and words. See you next time for another exciting learning session. Bye-bye.